Let's jump right into the wines of northern France with a challenge. Selecting wines to pair with food. And not just any dish. My girlfriend's making southern fried catfish, and we have to find a white and a red to pair with this meal. Let's see what we can find at San Francisco's largest wine specialty retail store. So what you might not know is many grocery stores actually only buy their wines from 1 or 2 distributors, but wine retail will curate as many different places as possible to give you a wide selection. Now remember, our job is to find 2 wines from northern France. We've got Alsace, Champagne, and the Loire Valley. I love Alsace for its white wines. They make incredible Gewürztraminer, Pinot Gris, and Riesling. These wines are rich and aromatic, which is why I think they might not work extremely well with our dish tonight. These might be a little out of our range for tonight's budget. The Loire Valley is home to France's longest river. And you want to know what that river has in it? Catfish. So I think this is the spot to look for our red and white wine. When we're talking red wines in the Loire Valley, we're mostly talking Cabernet Franc. But it's not your juicy, fruity Cabernet Franc. These wines are herbaceous and earthy, maybe even with notes of tobacco and red bell pepper. The regions you'll find include Chinon, Bourgogne, and if you're looking for super value, Saumur-Champigny. This should have the right amount of tannin to not clash with my catfish. Now the Loire Valley is definitely Mecca for white wines. They're lean, minerally, they have high acid, paired with so many different things. First grape you'll see here a lot is Sauvignon Blanc, known by many different appellations. The next one, which is good, Chenin Blanc. I love it, can be so aromatic, and they even have sweet wines. But you know what I think? I think we need a wine with a little bit of saltiness, leanness, mineralness, something close to the coast. That's gonna work well with southern fried catfish. You know what we need? We need Muscadet. I got the Muscadet because this is a lean, minerally white wine. It's almost a little bit saline. And that's gonna pair exceptionally well with the fried part, the fried catfish part of this dish. I got this Cabernet Franc because it's herbaceous and savory, and this with the tartar sauce is gonna be incredible. Plus, it's lower tannin, being from a cool climate. That is gonna probably work. And it's probably one of the only red wines we can get away with fish. I'm out of here. Hey, what's up? It's Madeline Paquette, and you just watched a preview of Wine Folly's French wine course, where by the end of this course, you will have curated your own selection of French wines. If you're curious to know more, head over to winefolly.com. Salut!